What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Matt Malone here. Today we're at Iasdrift, the drift track. I got a livery, guys. I designed it myself. We've already warmed up, did a few laps. Got the whole team out here. I want you guys to check out this 350Z with the brides, bro. What angle kit you got? Which one? Wise Fab. Yes, sir. That's what people will recommend me to. That boy Ray, where is he? There he is. Got that boy Zach out here with the D's out here ripping. Cockpit view. Oh, I want those carpets. Dope.
Do you feel tired? Sluggish? Is life getting you down? Do you have trouble making friends? Then try the new beverage sensation, Old Happiness.
Oh, what? Just take it off.
There's no answer and you call twice. Nobody be at my house. I was at the studio all night. Last night I slept on the couch. I might wake up, do it all again. There's a world going crazy outside, but let's pretend that it's alright. We keep pretending that it's alright. Yeah, alright. Days get mixed up, schedules get switched up. Can't be two places at once. So I take a hit of the spliff that I lit up and forget I had to be anywhere at all. Goddamn, how the mighty will fall. They wanna see me gone, but I'm here in spite of it all. I never play along. You can keep the fear and self-pity. I'd rather tell you who I am, really. Yeah. This is not the wake-up call. I am the hotel operator. I don't owe nobody favors. I don't know how the fuck I've been around so long. Busy as an escalator in a crowded mall. It's like every year I realize my house too small. Get paid, upgrade, 2 cribs, new maids, more flights, few planes. Live out my suitcase. Lose days like loose change. I swear my life is on Blu-ray. Welcome to Doomsday. The world needs a hero, and I am your Bruce Wayne. Kind of like Luke Cage. You keep on running, we keep on pushing your buttons. There's no answer and you call twice. Nobody be in my house. I was at the studio all night. Last night I slept on the couch. I might wake up, do it all again. There's a world going crazy outside, but let's pretend that it's alright. We keep pretending that it's alright.